Hello and welcome to a presentation of a pneumatic cylinder control with limit switch and timer in Module 3 in practical pneumatic and hydraulic. Before presentation, introduce myself. I am Sahadi. Uh, from instrumentation and automation engineering uh, at uh, Sumatra Institute of Technology. Uh, Today, I'm going talk about pneumatic cylinder with limit switch sensor and timer. This presentation is designed to introduce you to fundamental concept of VLC or programmable logic control and to show ladder logic programming work in practice using a trainer board. The session this presentation will try to make the concept clear by combining theory, examples, and practical application. By the end, uh, you shall understand not only what ladder logic is, but also how it can be applied to control real world system such as motor, pneumatic cylinder, uh, and automated process. Next, presentation outline in presentation today. Here is the outline of today's presentation. Point one, introduction to VLC. We will start an introduction to VLC and why there also is so important in industrial automation. And point two, what is ladder logic? Uh, Next, we will learn what ladder logic uh, and why it is a widely word. And point three. Then I will give you an overview of the trainer board, the hardware setup that we use for learning. And point four, after that, we will study a practical example controlling a pneumatic cylinder. And point five, uh, we will enhance the example uh, by adding a limit switch and a timer into the program. And point five, point six, I will then explain how we can demonstrate this one to trainer board and mention some real world application. And the last point, final, we will summarize what we learn and open the floor for question. So let's begin with the basic what is a PLC. The next. Introduction to VLC. What is a VLC? A VLC or a programmable logic controller is essential small but powerful computer design to control industrial machine and process. Uh, Unlike a regular computer, VLC are built to operate in harsh environment uh, such as factories where there might be heat, dust, or vibration. VLC work in a simple cycle. Uh, Point one, they receive a signal from input device like switch, sensor, or push button. Uh, Point two, they process this information according to a program, usually written in ladder logic. Finally, they control output devices such as motor, lamp, valve, uh, or relay, uh, and ECC. VLC are widely used in manufacturing lines, uh, packaging industries, automation production, and even an infrastructure like traffic light uh, or water treatment plant. The main advantage of VLC are their reliability, flexibility, uh, and easy of programming. On Q know how to design a ladder diagram. Uh, you can quickly create a automation solution without complex coding knowledge. Uh, VLC of simple program. The next, uh, what is the ladder logic? Ladder logic is the most common programming language for VLC. It is called ladder logic because it looks like a ladder to vertical rise with horizontal ranks in between. Its rank represent a control rail much like in electrical relay circuit. For example, if a start button is pressed, then a motor turns on. Uh, or if a sensor detect object, then a conveyor belt start moving. The beauty of ladder logic is that it's very visual and intuitive. Engineer and technician who are familiar with electrical diagram can understand ladder logic almost immediately. That is why it has remained with electrical diagram uh, or, or remained popular for decades. Even though VLC today can support other language like function block diagram or structure text. Next, trainer board overview. Uh, to practice programming without the rise of damaging real industry machine, we ask a VLC trainer board. The trainer board is a compact educational uh, tool that contains both input and output. Typical input include push button, toggle switch, or limit switch. Typical output include lamps, indicator lamps, relay, buzzer, uh, motor, valve, uh, or sometimes small motor. By connecting the trainer board to VLC, student can upload a loader logic program and observe how that output respond to the input. For example, pressing a button like me turn on a uh, lamp or activating troubleshoot and improve or programming skill in a safe environment. Next, a practical example, cylinder control. In this presentation, uh, leather example for a cylinder control leather diagram. Now, now let's move to a practical example, controlling a pneumatic cylinder. Pneumatic cylinder used compressed air to produce linear motion. In many factories, cylinder are used for operation such as pushing, clamping, or lifting object. Using VLC, we can control the movement or the cylinder with a push button. The ladder logic program is simple. When the start button is pressed, the VLC energies a solenoid valve that allow compressed air to flow into the cylinder, causing it to extend. When the stop button is pressed, the spark switch and the cylinder retracts. Uh, the this basic sample show how a VLC can convert a simple human action, pressing a button, in the control of a mechanical system. Uh, Even the looks simple, the same principle applies to much more complex industrial system. Uh, Next, The next slide, limit switch and timer integration. Of course, in automation, we often need more uh, than simple on or off control. That is where limit switch and timer. Uh, a limit switch is a sensor that detects the physical position of mechanic machine part or object. Uh, for example, when the cylinder fully extends, it can press a limit switch to inform the VLC that it has reached its maximum stroke. This prevent accident and allow the VLC to trigger the next action. Timer are used to add a delay. A timer used to add a delay. Uh, or to measure how long an action should last. For instance, uh, we money when the cylinder to stay extended for 5 seconds before retracting. In ladder logic, we can use an on delay timer to activate this uh, by combining uh, the limit switch and the timer, limit switch and timer in the ladder diagram. We create the more intelligent control system. It is no longer just responding button, but also to position and time condition. This makes the system safer, more reliable, and uh, closer to real industrial automation standard. Uh, and the next page, demonstration and application. On the trainer board, we can implement this example by wiring the button, limit switch, and indicator lights, uh, and by programming the VLC with the ladder logic we design. When you press the start button, the VLC active the output of the VLC activasi the output. Uh, simulating the extension of the cylinder when the cylinder resists and position the limit switch signal the VLC we then start a timer after the timer finish the VLC struck the cylinder lamps on the trainer board can be used to show when the cylinder is extending, waiting, or retracting. Uh, this uh, this small scale demonstration mirror real world application. For example, uh, in packaging industries. Cylinders are used to push item into box. Uh, Example two in automotive manufacturing, they are used for pressing or clamping part in safety system. Limit switch ensure that machine stop if door is open. Through the trainer board, we gain the skill to design a site system in practice. And the last slide, conclusion. To conclusion, let use review the key point. Uh, Point one, VLC are specialist a computer that control industrial machine. Point two, ladder logic is the most common programming language for VLC and is intuitive and visual. And point three, the trainer board provides a safe and practical environment to VLC program. A practical environment to test VLC program. Uh, by using input like button and limit switch and output like lamp and motor, we can simulate in real automation in programming in the software CX1 ya, CX1. Uh, Adding timer and sensor allows to build a more advanced and reliable control system. Master logic and factory. Uh, Logic and factory on trainer board. Uh, Free Fire used for real world application in industries ranging from manufacturing to robotic. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much. Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.